Don't forget to subscribe, it's free, and hit that notification bell. Shimmer and Shine, the Cupcake Mistake. Leah and Zach look around the batter-splattered kitchen. They're trying to make cupcakes, but they're making a mess instead. Who knew making cupcakes would be so tricky? Leah sighs. They baked 9 batches, but none of them came out right. Zach's tummy rumbles. I'm heading home for a pre-cupcake snack, he says. Leah still needs help, so she calls her genies. Shimmer and Shine zoom in on their magic carpet to grant Leah 3 wishes. For my first wish, I wish for a frosted cupcake, Leah says, but the genies aren't sure what a cupcake is. Boom zarame, says Shimmer, and a giant cake appears on top of a tiny teacup. Leah explains that a cupcake is a little cup-sized cake. Now she's out of ingredients, so she wishes for more. And with that, a cow, a chicken, and some flowers appear. A chicken for eggs, a cow for milk, and flowers for flour, says Shimmer. We'll milk the cow and gather the chicken's eggs, says Leah. She waits and waits. I wish we could speed this up. Suddenly, the chicken lays eggs super fast, and the kitchen fills with milk. I know what to do, says Leah, drying off. She takes a cup, scoops out a cup full of cake, and makes a cupcake. The friends work together to make dozens of cupcakes. We fixed our mistakes, and the day turned out great, says Leah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.